Today, I wanted to discuss about IntelliJ IDEA, one of its feature where we want to change the IDE using SDK version. So, suppose it is using some SDK version and we want to change the SDK version, or in this case, the JDK version, because we are using Java Development Kit. So, we can use this settings symbol here, and then we have the project structure. Then the OpenJDK 16 it is using right now, we can directly click on it, and then we have some of the options which is present on this computer. So OpenJDK 16 which is using right now, if you want to switch to version 1.8, then we clicked on it, and then we apply, and then we click on the OK. Now if you see in the external libraries, it is using 1.8. So sometimes what happens is, when you import a project, then that time some of the symbols will not be recognized by the IDE. So that happens because of the caching issues in the IDE. To fix that, we click on File and then Invalidate Cache. We click on it, and then we have the option to invalidate and restart. We have different options to check before we invalidate and restart. So these options are clear file system cache and local history, clear downloaded shared indexes, ask before downloading new shared indexes. So we can select all of them, and then we click on the invalidate and restart. So it will resolve any problem of the IDE not finding any symbol. It could be any symbol or anything in the code which is already existing. That's all for today. Thank you.